Hi, I'm John Douglas Hurd. Today we're going to talk about algebra. The first lesson in algebra. Are you ready? Okay. Now, algebra uses a variable in an equation. So let's say you have 3 plus, we don't know what the next one is, we call it x. X is an unknown variable. Okay? We want to solve this problem to find out what x is. So, we're going to we know that the total of 3 plus x equals 9. Okay? X is the variable. You could use any letter you want. A, B, C, all the way to Z. But usually people use x. So, in order to find out, equals is the main line between it's a wall. You want to make the wall equal on both sides. Equal sign, okay? So get the x by itself. How do you get x by itself? Right now it's tied with a 3 plus. Well, let's get rid of the 3. And that way x will be alone. Move the 3 out of here so x will be by itself. How do you move the 3? Well, subtract 3. Minus 3 on both sides. Minus 3. So we have 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we have x equals 9 minus 3 is 6. So x equals 6. If you plug it back in on top, you'll see 3 plus 6 equals 9. That's the first lesson in algebra. Sound good? Great.